Hey guys, hope you're well. Back with another video, and today we are getting an exhaust modification done. So the car's currently got a resonator. We're getting a resonator delete put in. So the exhaust we've got at the moment is a Russ Fellows exhaust. Russ basically makes custom built exhaust for a few different types of cars, but Evos are one of them. And the exhaust we've got has got a resonator. We want to have the car a little bit louder, and we want to see how it sounds with a resonator delete, so we're getting one of those put on today. So we're heading over to Gary at AP Tuning now to get that done, and hopefully the car will sound a little bit different. But before we crack on with the video, I just want to talk to you guys about one other thing, which is a website a friend of mine has actually set up, which is called Mad Lows. Now, Mad Lows is a startup website. It's only just started, but it's for selling and buying modified cars. So it's like an auto trader, but for modified cars. Now, it's free to list cars. So you can buy cars, you can sell cars on there. It's free to list, okay? All cars are reviewed as well before they get listed. So the idea here is because my friend was sick of trying to buy and sell cars on Facebook, because you just get messed about so much. So he thought, I'll set up this website. So he set up Mad Lows. You can buy cars, you can sell cars. So if you're looking to buy a car or sell a car that's modified, go check out Mad Lows. So there's a link in the description box below. Go have a look if you're interested in doing either buying or selling. But that's a little bit about a little website that he's setting up. But you know what? Let's crack on with today's video, guys. So guys, we've just arrived at AP Tuning and Gary's already doing the switch over. I don't want to interrupt him, I don't want to get in his way, but yeah. Gary's lovely R8 here as well. AP Tuning, if you're near Norfolk or you want anything doing to an Evo or other stuff, they're a Revo dealer. He does stuff with Audis, he does stuff for everything. This is one of his own cars. But like I said, I don't want to go and get in his way in there in the workshop. He's cracking on, there's loads of cars in there. But yeah, we'll get it on, we'll let you know what it sounds like when it's done. I can't wait to hear it. Hopefully it sounds better. If it doesn't, then I'm going to be like, well, that was disappointing, but fingers crossed, let's see what it sounds like with just a straight pipe through, no resonator. So guys, that is 2 cold starts. The first one was this morning before we had it fitted, and the second one was after we've had it fitted and we got back to work and we let it sit. So we've driven home now, and for me it sounds different. Like, I don't think it's a massive change, but it does sound different when you're in the car. It sounds a lot deeper. The burble sounds a lot deeper than what it was before. Obviously if you can listen to it here, it just sounds a lot deeper. It's more of a burble, there's a lot more going on. So what I'm going to do is I found quietest road, so I'm going to have to give you some revs. So I'll just get the camera set up and then I'll give you some revs and we'll see how it sounds. I think it sounds different, deeper burble, a little bit more of a rumble, but not a massive issue of like drone and stuff like that when you're in the car. So actually it's quite nice, but let's see what we sound like on revs now the engine's warm since I've been driving home. That sounds a lot different, so I'm really happy with that. So like I say guys, all we've had done today, just trying to spin this camera around, there we go, is we went for a resonator delete, and that's the only thing we've had done today. So everything else, we've got a 3-inch system all the way from the turbo back, and no cat, and then obviously we had a resonator in, so we took the resonator out, and that is where we are. It sounds better, a lot more of a deeper burble, and today's video guys was literally just that. So again, Evo's looking amazing. I'm happy with where we are. We've got a show coming up this Sunday, double clutch show, which is going to be amazing. But yeah, short video today just of the work that's been done, which has basically been that resonator delete. So it's straight all the way through now, sounds amazing. So I'm going to leave it there. Like I said at the start, if you're looking to buy a car, sell a car, go check out Mad Lowe's, link in the description. Obviously until next time guys, peace out, but as always please support the channel, like, share, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. But like I've said already, peace out guys, we'll see you in the next one.